Welcome to another episode of Dealing with Narcissism. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that resonates with many of us who have dealt with narcissistic personalities: how to make a narcissist miserable, 12 things they hate. Before we dive in, a special shout out to our new subscribers. I'm thrilled to have you join our community. Please introduce yourself in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on new content. Now, let's get into today's discussion. A word of caution before we begin: the strategies we're talking about today are for those of you who are safe and not in immediate danger. If you're dealing with a narcissist who has shown any potential for violence or severe aggression, these tactics might not be suitable. Please prioritize your safety above all else. If you're unsure, consult with a professional for personalized advice. Alright, let's explore the 12 things that narcissists truly despise. These strategies can be powerful tools for regaining your autonomy and self-respect when dealing with narcissistic individuals. Narcissists thrive on validation and attention. Their need for constant admiration drives their behavior and reinforces their inflated sense of self. When you fail to acknowledge them, you effectively deny them the admiration they crave. This lack of attention can be deeply unsettling for them. It challenges their self-image and makes them question their importance. Over time, consistently ignoring their need for validation can lead them to feel insignificant and unimportant. Narcissists are adept at manipulating situations to their advantage. They often blur the lines of reality to fit their narrative and use grandiose language to maintain their facade. Confronting them with facts and objective truths can disrupt their carefully constructed illusions. It forces them to confront reality and undermines their ability to manipulate or deceive. This confrontation with factual information can destabilize them, making them uncomfortable and defensive. A narcissist's ego often struggles with the concept of authority. They are used to being in control and having their way, and any form of authority challenges their sense of superiority. Authority figures or structures that hold them accountable can cause significant discomfort. They may react with hostility, defiance, or attempts to undermine the authority in order to preserve their own sense of dominance. Narcissists are not accustomed to hearing no. They are used to having their demands met and often use manipulation to get their way. Hearing no from someone challenges their inflated sense of entitlement and disrupts their expectations. When you firmly say no to their demands, it forces them to confront their lack of control and can lead to frustration and attempts to manipulate you further. Establishing clear boundaries and enforcing consequences can be particularly effective with narcissists. They often avoid accountability and resist facing the repercussions of their actions. By consistently implementing and enforcing consequences for their behavior, you assert your boundaries and disrupt their attempts to manipulate you. This can be deeply frustrating for a narcissist, as it undermines their control and forces them to confront their behavior. Narcissists have an intense need to win and excel in every situation. They view losing as a direct threat to their self-image and cannot handle setbacks gracefully. Whether it's a game, a professional setback, or a personal argument, losing challenges their inflated self-image. Their reaction to losing often involves anger, denial, or attempts to undermine others who succeed, revealing their insecurity and making them uncomfortable. Public humiliation strikes at the core of a narcissist's self-image. Narcissists are highly concerned with how others perceive them and go to great lengths to maintain a positive image. Any form of public ridicule or exposure can provoke intense emotional responses. They may react with anger, denial, or attempts to deflect attention away from the embarrassment. Public humiliation threatens their carefully curated image and can leave them scrambling to protect their ego. Narcissists have a hard time with commitment, especially when it involves giving their time or resources to others. They often expect others to be wholly dedicated to them while failing to reciprocate. When faced with expectations of commitment, they may resist or withdraw. This resistance highlights their self-centered nature and their difficulty with genuine mutual commitment. Narcissists view vulnerability and emotional expression as weaknesses. They are accustomed to operating in a world of deceit and manipulation, where emotional depth and empathy are rare. Genuine emotional connection threatens their control and exposes their lack of empathy. When faced with vulnerability and emotional honesty, they may react with disdain or attempt to distance themselves. A narcissist's worst fear is you gaining clarity about your own worth and breaking free from their influence. They use manipulative tactics like love bombing and cognitive empathy to control you. When you start seeing through their facade and thinking independently, it threatens their dominance. This newfound clarity can provoke aggressive attempts to regain control or manipulation as they struggle to deal with your newfound independence. Narcissists resist any changes to the established order, especially if those changes are initiated by someone else. They prefer the status quo because it maintains their control and authority. When you make significant changes, such as leaving a toxic relationship or asserting new boundaries, it disrupts their established control. This resistance often leads to attempts to manipulate or sabotage your efforts to maintain the old order. Radical honesty is a concept that narcissists cannot tolerate. They live in a world of deception and self-delusion, and confronting them with brutal honesty can be jarring. Speaking the truth, especially when it contradicts their version of reality, can provoke defensive reactions or disengagement. This confrontation with raw honesty threatens their constructed reality and exposes their manipulative tactics. And there you have it, 12 things that narcissists absolutely hate. Each of these strategies can be a powerful tool for regaining your autonomy and self-respect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let me know which strategies you plan to use. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Remember, you have the power to take control of your own story. Until next time, stay strong and stay true to yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.